is my fucking phone, bro? All right. All right, chat. We're live. Let me just start. All right. So how you been, chat? How you been? Yeah, the market is looking good today. Yesterday was a crazy day, bro. It was crazy yesterday. Bro, I thought not to go live today because of like scheduled a video for today, and I didn't even, bro. Alright, that's not looking good, bro. Yeah, euro is gonna go down. So that's like 1 to 3.39 hour trade right there on euro. Bro, whenever I like trade London session, I do good, bro. But whenever I switch to New York session, like if I get like a W during the London session, and then I again trade during the New York session, I fucked up, bro. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yes, if you're new here, sub up, chat. We need to hit 16K before this month ends, bro. So yeah, sub up and give a thumbs up to the stream. Chat, have you guys taken any trade today during the London session? Bro, I'm in this trade from the very beginning of the London session, bro. Oh, it was around 1:2. I didn't get out of that trade. Either I'm gonna get a stop loss there, or I'm gonna get a profit target. Let me join the Discord. Discord. Come on. Chat, do we have any news today? I didn't check, bro. Do we have any news today? Alright, we have one medium impact news for Euro at 12:10 a.m. We have a news at 12:10 a.m. I guess. Yo, bro, what's up? Yeah, doing great. Did you catch any move today? What are you looking at right now? Oh, you're trading gold. You've been here like for almost 4 hours. What have you been like doing here for 4 hours, bro? Man, look at GU. GU is just dripping right now. GU is dripping, bro. I'm short on euro though. I shorted during the London session. So you've been waiting for that fair value gap on the 5 minute chart. Then put a fib from in that dealing range. Put a fib on the dealing range. Price already tapped into the premium, bro. It already did tap into the OTE, bro. You could have like shorted that. That's fair. But pound to were stuck like during the whole London session, and now it's like, bro, it's melting right now. Someone in my chat saying, "Hey, anyone from London here?" Someone in my chat saying that is anyone here from London? Yep. No, no, they can't hear it. No, no, no. You should go in the chat and also let him join the Discord too. You should also invite him to the Discord, bro. Someone in the chat saying, yeah, well, like, I thought to not do the live stream today, but I don't know, bro, because I had a video scheduled for today at 7 a.m. New York time, but now I'm doing live again. I get bored, you know. When you like who? Great, great, Papa. Market has like some pretty good setup today during the London session. Forex like moved pretty good today, but bro, indices are like fucking, bro. Yesterday Nas was too nasty, bro. It didn't even move. Yup. I did catch the first one to the all-time high, but the second one I missed that shit, bro. And US 30 right now I think it's pushing higher. Yup, it's pretty clean right now. Yes, stuck. Nas is also stuck right now. much are we up on this rate? We're almost up like 1:2 on this rate. Alright, chat, let's see if we can get down there. I'm on the euro trade, chat, bro. Because when I took that trade, I saw Geo not even moving at that time, but euro was pretty clean at that time. And I had some PDRS when I saw euro like respecting that PDRS. Uh, that time I shorted there on that very what time was that? The 2:30 candle on the 30-minute short. I shorted that candle. Bro, I need to like change my strategy, bro. I blew the 50K account yesterday. Nas and yeah, you could say Nas, bro. Fuck, man. I could have like saved my account, bro. I think it was the daily max loss. I was up for the day like 500, then I like breached the daily max loss, bro. I was so pissed off at Nav because it was not even moving even after 10 a.m. Maybe from now on, I'm only gonna trade the London session because whenever I trade during the live, I think there's some kind of impact on me from the viewers also. But I gotta do something. Yeah, yeah, I can like trade London session very good, but because you know when you're doing live, all right, and talk chatting with the people, so that time you feel like you have to do something to keep them entertained, right? So I think that's having an impact on me. So I have to like stop that. Go ahead, go ahead. Sure. Yeah, that Discord channel. Yep. Nah, bro. I like yeah, during the New York time, I have to like keep my audience like entertained. So I'll be like doing the live stream, but I'm doing journaling daily. I fucked up yesterday. What I've said, I just blew the 50K. It was so far my mistake. I was like either I'm gonna pass this account today or I'm gonna blow it, and I blew that shit. So I'll probably not gonna trade during the New York session from now on. Even if I see something, I'll only prefer to trade like the London session. Oh, that way, what? What? Yeah, yeah, I understand that. Like, yeah, if we like spend time talking to each other on Discord, so that way won't be like a distracted some kind of shit. Yeah, if you're open, if you're like open to that, I can do that. There's no problem. Yeah, I'll probably, bro. I've bought another 50K challenge today, but they haven't like given me the credential yet. So I'm waiting for that. No, 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 Forex. I'm not in futures yet. I trade like indices though, but I think I'm focusing on too many pairs. That's the problem, I guess. Because I'm seeing too many setups right now in the charts. I feel like I can take every trade. That's what like messing with me right now. Haha. who 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 was that? Who was that yesterday? Like who was that on Nas trading Nas? I was in that short too, bro. He was like going crazy. Maybe maybe it was him. He was saying like, yeah, we are going down. Then the very next seconds it's going up. I was laughing like hell, bro. It was hard to trade yesterday. Not gonna lie, the market was like too crazy. Yeah, bro, Euro just stuck. Fuck, GU took out that low right there, but Euro is still. I think we had because we have a news today. Maybe Euro is waiting for that. But overall, I'm like very bearish on Euro and Pound. Euro just stuck on that place right now. Yeah, medium impact news. We have a medium impact news. Bro, all the major events are shut down, bro. Those are like tomorrow there's no news. Tomorrow there's like no news. Yep. Yeah, I'll probably do that, but I think I need to, bro, set up my fix my setup a little bit because I'm using the headset for to listen to you right now. I need to figure that out. How can I like put you on the live too? Yeah, let me see. I think the desktop audio, if I turn that on, are they gonna hear you? Let me see. Wait. Yeah, speak right now.
Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Yeah, I think they can hear you. Let me let me see the stream a little bit so that I can know. Wait,
I need to ask the chat if they can hear me. I'm not sure.
wait.
My work is easy because I use ClickUp.
Bro, the
Here's how I
mic
keep track of all my tasks.
fuck, bro, the
I start
mic.
by brain dumping everything I need to get done.
Hear me. I'm not
Or say something.
All thing I need to get done.
Hear me. I'm not
Or say something.
All thing I need to get done.
Hear me. I'm not
Or say something.
All thing I need to get done.
Hear me. I'm not
Or say something.
All thing I need to get done.
Bro, what the fuck just happened? Bro, what the fuck just happened? Bro, what the fuck just happened? I think they can still hear you. Chat, can you hear the Discord members? Bro, GBP USD has been crashing. Yeah, bro. I'm seeing that, bro. Euro just stuck right now. Oh, no, they can't hear you? Fuck. How do I fix that?
I think your stream is fucked up here. I don't know what's going on.
Bro, they can hear you. I'm saying that the mic is going. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, check it if you can. I have the headset on, but if I see the live stream, there goes some ads.
Yeah, they can hear me. I just checked it. Yeah, they can hear me.
Yeah, I see on the OBS that desktop audio is working.
Okay, let's calm down.
Yeah, it's working, bro. Chat, turn up the volume a little bit.
You asking me to turn up the volume?
No, not you, not you. To my chat.
Not to. Oh, the chat. Okay.
Nastchurd was insane. Yeah, bro, Nastchurd was insane yesterday. Don't get overwhelmed. I try to take 3 to 5 trades a day. If I lose 1 or 2, I'm out for the day. Yeah, bro, I do that same thing. But whenever I try, like, let me mute it. Like, whenever I try to trade the lower time frame chart, I'm not gonna lie, I do mess up, bro. I do get fucked up. I think I need to stop. I think I need to stop like trading the lower time frame a little bit more.
Yeah.
Because my strategy
Yeah, sorry, bro. What are you saying?
work more perfect for
Do you
this
still hear yourself when you
5
talk?
minutes and
No, I don't hear myself when I talk.
the 15-minute time frame. So
Why?
yeah, I think Bro,
I
I
thought
think
maybe it was giving the
none of them
feedback from my
is
mic.
a main
No, I don't think
problem
so.
for me to
I mean,
like
I've got no problem with that.
fail an account. I think it's me, bro. I think
Oh,
I
I
need to
just
work
sold
on my
myself
psychology
short
a
on
little bit.
GBP card.
Though I'm doing like
Okay.
daily journaling, let me show you.
Sorry.
So I,
Sold
GBP
my
card. Are you
position.
in?
where is that?
Yeah, from yesterday.
You could see
I told you about
I
yesterday.
have the journal. So I have the daily journal with me. When I whatever I'm doing with the trade or uh,
See,
within
let
the
me show
day,
you. From here.
I'm putting everything there. So yeah, I'll probably
GBP card. GBP card.
try to figure out what the fuck I'm doing wrong. And
Waterfall. The waterfall, man.
yeah, over time I'll probably improve, bro.
I'm just gonna
There's
give me a
nothing I
second.
can do like
I just want to see if this audio works. Give me a second.
crazy faster than this. It's gonna take
Look
time, I
at
know
this.
that. That's why I've
How
been
do I
with
even
this like
send
for
this?
over 4 years now, and soon it's gonna be five too. I know it's gonna take time, bro.
Okay. This was the first one.
Is there
Have
any
you
good
seen it?
reason for 30-minute time frame? Yes, bro, there
Sent it to you
is,
on
but
Telegram.
I cannot exactly tell you that. But there is a specific period where uh, those 30-minute candles were stacking up. So when I
Sorry,
saw
followers.
that
I
those
can't see the
30-minute
clock.
candles were stacking up there and saw
It's not.
DXY moving
When I
higher,
said I got
at
greedy
that time
yesterday, I
I
should
put
have
my
closed
stop
and taken
loss.
a
Let me
new
show
move,
you on the
but I
15
left
minute
it.
time
And
frame. I
today
put my
also, I
stop
just
loss above
sold
that high right there.
myself
So
short.
my PDR was like around
Is it
here.
a trade or
Look at
have you break even or something?
Around there was my
look
PDR,
at it.
right?
Can you see it now?
So I shorted there, and my I put my stop loss right above that high. Why? Because
That must be
I know
crazy.
even if I'm right,
See
but if
yesterday
price
where it
goes
ended.
up, I want to see price swap that high, but close within that period.
And then,
So
are you
that's
still in
why
the
I
trade
shorted
or
there, and I know price is
Ah, I
not gonna
closed it.
go
you closed
Look
it?
at where I closed
above
it from.
that if I'm right.
Okay.
So that's why I took the trade.
I was
All right,
saying I
we are
got greedy
going.
yesterday. I wanted it to go way down and it reversed. But I didn't enter new position. I just waited. And today also, instead of me to wait, I just closed it early.
All right. What do you think, Chad? Is you were gonna go down there and sweat the flows, or is it gonna move up? What do you think? I have a bigger target on this. Usually I trade like these setups, but I get like uh, it's more like too rare to see these type of move like one shot on one kill setups. So you won't gonna like find these setups very often. Maybe once a week. Sometimes even in 2 weeks you're gonna see this kind of setup only one time. And you saw me took that type of setup maybe on pound before, but let's see. All right, pound is melting, bro. What the fuck? Pound is melting, bro. It's fucking melting. Damn, bro. Damn. I might put my stop loss to break even maybe. All right, let's just put it there. It's gonna take swap these lows, bro. It's gonna swap those lows. Fred, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, yep, sub up, bro. And yeah, but today I've scheduled a video at 7 a.m. New York time. Make sure you watch that too. All right, chat. Let's just see what the market does, bro. So, bro, are you in the trade?
Oh, okay.
Bro, your volume is too low, and pop-up currency volume is too loud. Yeah,
Hold on, I'm fixing.
if I turn up the volume right now, my chat's not gonna hear me.
Next to Papa Quest is link. If you
His
right
his
click,
volume is too high. I
yeah,
can't
if
even
you
like
right click next,
keep my headset on.
okay, if you do right click next to his name, there's a user volume. If you can just decrease that,
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Uh,
yeah, just do that. It
yeah,
should
I
decrease.
put that into 50%.
Should be fine, I think.
You waiting for that gold setup though?
Yeah, waiting for this goal set happen. Let me see you have one.
Like how frequently like you trade gold, bro?
Sorry, how
How
long have you trading gold for?
no. How frequently? I mean, how many times a day or
How,
in a week?
it just depends, bro. Like whenever he provides me any good setup, then I'll go for it. If it doesn't provide me anything, I won't trade.
So you're
But
like
the
a
last time I traded gold,
so you're a
last
regular
time I got
trader
it,
on gold.
I mean, you could say that. But last time I got in gold, right, was I'll say a week and a half ago when I caught a gold trade.
How much did you make?
I made 5% on that. It was a Friday. I was two
Uh,
percent down. I was two
so
percent down, and Friday I made everything back. Yeah. So luckily I caught that gold buys, and
and how many trades do you take within a day?
bro, maximum I'll take two trades.
Maximum. That's maximum.
That's maximum, bro.
Bro, then you have a good psychology.
Yeah, maximum. It just depends. If I'm 1% down, then I'll wait for another setup. If that doesn't give me, that I won't take it. So my maximum loss will be 2%.
Yeah, that's great, bro.
Yeah. And say if I take the first trade, say if I take a trade in London session and hits TP and that's it, I won't be trading all day. I'll be done for the day.
Bro, I used to like when I used to like do journaling, I used to take I think 1:4, 1:5 per trade. Like I used to take one or two trades within a week. I think I need to get back to that. Now I'm trading too
Yeah, bro,
frequently.
same. Yeah, like hardly take like in a week. I'll say maybe I'll take two or three trades
Yeah, I
just in a
think
week.
so. I should do that too, bro. Because of I'm ta taking too many trades. It's messing with me,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that can happen.
And I'm not even like sticking to my rules, bro. What I do usually like off stream when I'm trading, I put on the trade and I
Mm.
go do something else. I don't even like see what my trade are in like in profit or loss. I just came back like after 2 or 3 hours, then see if I got stopped out or got the target. But right now, because of I'm watching that constantly, uh, it's like
Yeah,
too much of stress.
I mean I have a rule like once my trade hits 1%, I'll go break even, and then I'm chilling. I just
Yeah,
wait for it TP or wait for it to break even.
yeah,
But amount of time I've hit break even in a week is just crazy. I've hit like so many
but
break evens.
that's better though. Yeah, that's better
Yeah,
than like
yeah,
being lost.
yeah.
Or pound took off the close. One more left. Yeah,
And what will
chat.
your trade hits be? Your take profit. What's your take profit target?
My take profit target, I think, on euro.
Mm-hmm.
On euro, it's the let me see. It's a Thursday slow. 20,
Thursday,
25, 20. Let me see. 25th, 25th September slow. But I think I'm gonna
did you say
take
25th? Did
25th,
you say
20.
25th September?
Yep, yep. I'll probably take my majority of my target below that first swing low to the right.
Yeah, I think that's you got to treat that anyway. I mean, yeah, that's very you got to treat that anyway now.
Yeah, there
Easy,
it
easy
goes.
TP, bro. Easy, nice, easy TP.
I didn't even like get into drawdown with this trade though.
It was a sniper entry then.
Yep. Bro, it could have gone to like straight to my stop loss, but you can like I just need to trust my strategy. That's what when I
Yeah,
was
that's it.
when I was like taking that trade today, I thought to myself it could like go above and of the side, but when I saw my but I still decided to like stick to my analysis. Be it either
Yeah,
it's gonna be a loss or it's gonna be a win. And I think I added one more contract uh, on that swing high right there also.
okay.
Bro, gee, you just fucking crashed. Damn, bro. I didn't take that GU trade because it was out of the kill zone, bro. It's out of the kill zone. You see the candle tapped in there at 5:30. Next one 6 a.m. The last one is 6:30. I didn't gave any chance to get in. What the fuck is Nas doing, bro? Let's see Nas.
That's just being nasty. No.
Yeah, bro, Nas was nasty yesterday. Too much of nasty. So many traders on. I saw like on X that a guy I think blew
Yeah.
like 5 accounts yesterday during New York session
What's
only.
this? That's
Five accounts,
crazy.
bro. They just gone like that.
That's pure gambling. He's probably just gambling that, like every day he comes on, buys
Bro,
new accounts,
you
and then
you
he's
can
gambling
you
how much.
can like have always like have a cool mind though. Sometimes you're gonna also gonna be like aggressive.
But you see what happened after 10:30, right? So we took out the previous hour low, right, and then it just moved.
But yeah, it's not even that much of a great move yesterday. It was so choppy. You see, if you look at the price action, it was so choppy yesterday. For me, it
Yeah,
was
it's pretty like
not a clean price action yesterday.
now.
The PM session
Now
was
it's
good
nothing to
though.
decide. Yeah,
The
looking
P
at hindsight, right? Because me and my mate we were still on Discord, right, looking for a buy, right? So he gave us. I mean, he gave everything. He gave market structure on a 1 minute and everything, right? But I hesitated because the price action was so choppy yesterday. Even
Yeah,
I was a
bro.
bit scared to take it,
Bro, you know the
right?
first trade I
Yeah,
took on NAS yesterday was like was good. But I did a mistake that I opened up like a crazy lot size and I took that trade on a 1 minute time frame. That's the like very first mistake I did while trading NAS. My go-to time frame is 5 minutes, but I traded like 1 minute yesterday, and when you see that fluctuation on MT5, bro, it was too scary for me.
yeah, exactly. I know. You guess.
Bro, NAS moved like crazy,
Oh,
up and down
yeah,
on MT5.
yeah. Hopefully, I mean, we get something nice today.
It's not it didn't even move today yet. NAS didn't
No,
took
no,
out those Asian session low yet, but ES did. I'll still look for lower prices on NAS, bro. Not gonna lie. I have that Friday low, yeah. That Friday low is my like it's my eye just going to that
This low here.
Friday low.
Yeah, that's the low on Friday, right? And
Yep,
then yeah.
and we have a fair value gap below that. Let me see what time frame it is. I think it's hourly time frame, I guess. Yeah, on an hourly time frame, there's a fair value gap too in the
This one here, right?
below that low. But who knows? It could go higher.
We got this imbalances.
Yeah, there is imbalance and a low Friday low,
Yeah, this 5 lows here.
and there is a hourly BC right there.
Yeah,
So if price starts to go down, it's gonna I think swap that low, but it can go more higher. Who knows? The market's
be
been
a
crazy.
journey. I mean, yeah, it'll be a journey for it to go down. It'll be a bit of
Yeah.
a journey for it to go down all the way. Looking at how many pips?
Nah, that's not gonna
4%
be
more.
at that. It's not gonna take that much of time. If you see the 9:30 open, most of the time, those who are like aggressive move to some stop.
Yeah,
But these days, yesterday wasn't that very nice setup, and wasn't there was not even that much of move when the market opened at 9:30. So
yeah,
maybe we could see something today,
yeah.
and
Tuesday, so hopefully,
we do have that SMT on the with that all-time high on NAS and ES still.
yeah,
If you compare both of them, we do have that SMT.
yeah, we did.
So there's a high chance that it can go lower. See, ES tried to go take out that all-time high during the PM session one more time, but it failed.
Yeah, he did. Yeah,
So it could mean like price could go lower, but only we gonna know that during the market open, bro.
yeah, exactly. Then yeah, so everything's very choppy right now.
All right.
Gold is just taking the piss.
So, bro. Yo, bro, yo. Even their opera. Yo, bro, what's up, bro? What's up? Alright, we about to chat. We about to swap that low, but it's
Do you
now
have a Telegram group?
teasing. No, no, I do not have any Telegram group. I have a Discord server. There's like 221 members
Okay,
right now.
okay, okay.
Bro, I did create a two server on Telegram. I mean, the Twitch Telegram channel, but they were hacked, bro.
Mm.
They got hacked.
You
After
got
that,
hacked.
yeah, bro.
Damn.
After that, I never created any new, bro. So I decided to go with
Damn.
Discord.
People hacking Telegram groups and that, yeah? Freaking hell.
Bro, they're selling like some bullshit, bro. Yeah, I think they were like some Indian guy who hacked that, and he's doing his own thing there.
It was fucking episodes, but
You think Papa Cressy?
he hacked the account and he's doing
Yeah.
his own thing there.
Trust me, bro. These people, you don't know what people can hack.
Crazy, bro. Is the sound okay now?
Yeah, yeah. I think my side is fine. What
Yeah,
about your side next, yeah?
the volume is good. Now on Popo Cafe
Yeah.
volume is I think okay. I turned that to 50. Yeah, that's on 50 right now.
Okay, that's good then.
Oh, okay.
All right, pound about to take out that low, bro. Fuck. Euro is still teasing, bro.
No, I can't wait for the 8:30 open. I really want to see what happens. Yeah, that's something I'm waiting for the pullback because I really want DXY to shoot up to the fair value gap on its daily. Really want to see take out all this liquidity and just go back up to this constant encouragement of this fair value gap. Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we need this to go up here, and then we'll see what happens. Yeah, that's what we're waiting for. Hopefully, it gives us this, but we need a retracement now. A little pullback on Euro USD would be nice. Very daunting, like. What are you saying, Papa Question? Goalie just gone, bro. Like, goal. He's taking the piss.
You look at your brother. It's going down. Just go down. GBP is going down. It's from Forex.
Yo, bro, I think you're on mute. Your chat can't hear you.
Yeah, I muted that. I
They
know.
can't hear you.
Yeah, yeah, I know. I muted that.
Oh, okay, okay.
Bro, I think USD JPY gonna swap that high on the daily time frame. And there is a hourly fair value gap price tap into during, but we didn't get the tap during the New York session.
What's that for? Is it
USD,
JPY you're saying?
yeah, USD JPY.
Okay.
CHF, bro, just keep your eyes on CHF. It's gonna move like crazy. Like it's, I think, let me see that how many points I'm looking to buy. USD CHF gonna go like almost 200 points on the daily time frame. I have the target on USD CHF. If I put my like PDRS on the charts right now, cat's gonna go crazy. And right now it's in a range bound market. If you see USD CHF, so it's gonna broke right now. It's gonna broke today,
Yeah.
and then it's gonna shoot up there to that daily
Yeah. Yeah.
drawn liquidity.
Yeah. Just barcoding on high time frame right now. USD.
When I like get that account, I think I'm gonna go long on USD CHF. Maybe with one lot, I'm gonna target like uh, that all daily high. Bro, I love to trade like
Have they sent
what?
have they sent you the credentials yet?
No. They haven't sent me the credential yet. I might not trade today. I think that's better for me not to trade today. All right, there DXY gonna swap that daily high also. Fuck, bro. The DXY didn't create any low this week. It just moved up, bro, with that volume imbalance.
Yes. DXY is being DXY.
All right, Euro's going down. That's what I thought, bro. I was looking for that first fair value gap. If you look at the Euro chart, that first fair value gap keeping price down. That's what I was trying to see. Now it's gonna go lower.
On the 15 minute? Are you
No,
talking about
no,
the 15-minute fairly gap?
no. On the 5 minute chart, if you look at Europe,
This one here?
yeah, the first one, the price is moving.
Just
No, now not that one. The swing high created right now. Yeah, that one, the
this one here?
downward. Yeah. I was looking at that. If it went to like the above one, it's gonna swap that high. So that's why I was
Mm.
trying to see if price stay below that, and it did. Eventually, it's gonna go down right now. So that's almost like 30 points to the. All right, that's almost 30 points to the.
Very nicely, isn't it? Euro USD.
Yep. Eh, the reaction was too perfect, bro. From the consequent encouragement of that fair value gap, price just dropped.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just so clean. All right, we are off like how much? They're like 2.5 pips above those liquidity. I think pound took up that. All right, pound took up that low, bro. Damn.
Yeah, pound is just dumping.
Yep. There's not even any news for pound today. Still, it's just running like crazy.
Dumping.
Like these are the cleanest price action, bro. We like rarely see this type of move on Forex.
Yeah.
I think maybe once a week we see this type of move. but it's hard to
Yeah,
catch
especially
those.
on, yeah. Sometimes it's just hard and you just move. You miss the move. You're like, oh, for fuck's sake.
Yeah, yeah, but
Yeah, you should have would have.
that happened during the USD JPR move. You saw
Yes,
you saw that when I woke up and checked, open up my chart. I thought like, what the fuck is fuck just happened, bro? It moved like 200 points within a 1 minute candle, bro. 200 points
exactly.
within a 1 minute candle, and
So I missed this
there
Euro
was
USD.
no news
I missed
that.
every.
Go ahead.
Yeah, even like Euro USD, I missed everything. Like all this move from the top, I missed it because I wasn't active on the chart. So
Bro,
when you're coming back, when you come back,
you've been in this live stream for almost 5 hours right now. What I'm saying, how can you like miss all
been,
this?
I won't be. I've just been on Discord, but I've been away.
I think yeah, I think you've been waiting for those two fair value waves. That's why.
Yeah, I've been waiting because when I came back, I was waiting for this comeback here, and then I'll try and do something, but it didn't come back. But it's fine. But then, even then, I wasn't like active in the morning. I was away.
Oh yeah,
I was just on Discord, but not on the charts.
right. Euro is teasing right now. Let me just take it off. Once we hit that, hit those lows on euro, I'm gonna close the euro. I mean forex for today, bro. I'm not gonna look at forex for today anymore.
Are you still in the zero? Are you still in that?
Yep, I'm still in that. At least I think it. At least if it doesn't go to that 25th September low, it can
Yeah.
take out the yesterday's low. I mean Monday's low. Da, 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 da. All right. Oh fuck. It's gonna shoot chat. It's gonna shoot below those lows. At least we can expect euro to swap that low, the Monday's low, that formed during the London session. Right? At least should take out that. If even if we consider seeing any pullback today on euro, price at least should take out that low. All right, Nas started to move, bro. Nas just started to
Yeah.
move.
No. Yes.
Uh, we might see another SMT today. Maybe yes, gonna create some sort of SMT with Nas today. It's gonna maybe create some higher highs today, or either it's gonna take out that all-time high. Fuck,
Yeah.
who knows what's
I
gonna
mean, yeah,
happen.
should go for all-time highs. It's been failing to go to all-time highs since yesterday. I mean, it should go. It should hit some
US
all-time
30 is
highs
not
again
even
today.
moving. Yesterday there was a pretty clean move on US 30, and today it's stuck on during the New York session. It's not gonna move before 9:30. Damn, bro. All right. There's another CP right there, chat. Right there. Price could go up to that first one right there, but maybe we could see some sort of SMT with GU. some sort of like that, and then also we can go down. Chad, have you guys taken any trade today, or you missed all this move on euro or and GU today? Have you guys taken any trade today? And what about yesterday, Chad? How many of you like blew your funded account? Yesterday's market was fucking crazy, bro. It was fucking crazy. Uh,
Euro is struggling, man. What's this? Can't just take that look.
So the euro took. I mean, so the GBP USD has taken out previously low, where euro has
Yeah,
failed. So we got SMT there for now.
or big SMT.
So we'll see a pullback now. It'll be a pullback.
Yeah, unless it sits there, where are they gonna go from there?
So if you look at the 50% range,
Bro, do you trade funded firm? If yes, which one is good?
this
I
one
think
is
you should
this one.
try Finative because first of all,
It's a big pullback now.
they are like too cheap compared to other props, and there are let me tell you those
That'll be a big
where
pullback.
those I think I forgot like the points. Let me tell you. Fuck, what is that? I'm kind of like fuck, bro. What is that? Come on.
Very big.
And not gonna lie, Finotif not even doing any promos like other firms
About
to
23 pips,
get
22,
more
23
sales.
26.
pips.
They're just in the markets and doing their own job, bro. You can try their accounts and they're not even denying any payouts. So I think you could like go with them. But let me tell you what they have. There are some good points you can check out.
Let's do the piss. The gold has taken the piss out of me.
Where is that? Yeah, there's like no profit consistency rules for their accounts. Then you can trade like Forex, metal indices, crypto, and many more. Then there you can use like 1:100 leverage too. And if I talk about the commission, they charge like $3 for $3 per lot for pro pairs. I mean for Forex, and for standard that's like $4. And there's no time limits. You can like uh, pause the accounts anytime you want. And also you can scale your account. There's no nothing like you have to pay for that features. You can just scale your account when you hit a specific profit target. So I think you can try them out. Currently trading a 50K account with them, and they're pretty good. All right, we tap into that
Let's delete this one.
Chad. We tap into the that for CV there one more time. We might have SMT right now. Let's see. Let's see DXY, bro. Did DXY took out that all high? No, DXY didn't took out that high, Chad. So
Where's your entry? Your entry was
even if
supposed
we
to go
take a
up, goes
pullback
down,
right
right?
now,
Your entry was
there
set
is a
on here.
huge chance that we're gonna go up on DXY and we're gonna go down and swap this low. And let me tell you one thing, you
What's the price?
after that initial pullback towards upside for euro, it's gonna move like crazy. Why? You're gonna see that trade
Yeah,
holding the same trade. Great, bro, great.
17037.
If you're doing the same trade, then that's great.
Oh, you're chilling, bro. Only thing your stop loss was. What was your stop loss?
My
It was
stop
here.
loss was
Damn,
14.8.
damn, bro. What just the three stop losses? Which one you?
It's giving me it's giving 3.7 3.7 hours.
Didn't hit 5 pips stop loss on that. That's 10 or damn.
Mm. I, I don't know how to work around the stop loss. I just put it above the swing.
I mean, everyone has their own different
Chat,
thing,
sub up and give a thumbs up to the video.
Like
And if you're new here,
some people are not
bro,
comfortable with 5
just
pips stop
sub up,
loss.
bro.
Yeah,
I'm fine with 5
We
pips
have to
stop
hit
loss.
like
That will be okay
16K this
with 5
month.
pips stop loss.
We could hit that within this week. If you guys
But I need a good reason
sub
behind
up
it
then, and
for it to
let's
be
just
5 pips
hit
stop loss.
20K before this year ends, because
Can't just be
I'll
5
try
pips stop
to
loss, you know.
bring ICT on this channel. I'll try for sure. If we have like 20K subs, I'm gonna like send him a mail because there's no chance that I can contact him, bro, except that mail. He might come to this channel, bro. He might, who knows? But let that's like my dream, bro. If he comes to this channel, that's gonna be like crazy, something's crazy. And we're gonna do, if he does like uh, do a like
Come back
a
to
live stream with
50%
me,
of the range. He doesn't need to
maybe
come back to 50%.
maybe some sort of podcast sort of
Long as
thing,
he does it for
you
us.
can like ask him any questions that time. So yeah, I have that in my mind for a very long time, but I do not have that audience right now. So yeah, sub up, bro, if you want to see like ICT on this channel, just sub up, bro.
huge rise on gaining on
Do you trade only on ICT concept? Yep, I trade ICT concept, but I do have my own strategy or concept, you could say, more like a modified my own strategy. Then what are the things you look to enter a trade? Chat. I've said it many times, bro. The first thing to get a
green.
profitable strategy, you have to find where's price gonna go. Once you know where's price gonna go, there's nothing else you
I
can
think
like
it's lunchtime for me.
you
It's
can like
already.
need that much. The 90% of your problems to find a setup is gonna be ended with
He was
your
downstairs.
like
He was frying some
if
chicken
you
and
can
then
figure out
came back.
where's the market gonna go. So after that, what you gonna look for? You're gonna look for a uh, tools of like any setup, any entry strategy that ICT have on its channel. You can use any entry strategy, but you have to know where price is gonna go. So that's more like a bias sort of thing. Because let me just give you an example. If you knew price gonna go down from here, no matter if you went short around here or even here or even here, but if you had a like bigger stop loss, if you even have a bigger stop loss, let me show you. Like if you went short there, that you know price gonna go down. So that's why you have a bigger stop loss, like 20 points. But you also have a 20 points target. You could have easily hit that if you know where the market's going. So there's no problem having a bigger stop loss, but the main thing you want to know is where's market gonna go. Bro, I'm talking about the like the strategies thing, not the psychology part. That's the hardest part, bro. That's each of us like have to go through that separately. None of us can like until you like go through that thing, like in drawdown blowing account, you cannot like experience that. Even if I say to you that do not do that shit, you're gonna do that, bro. And I did that too. So you have to go through that for enough time to like have control over yourself, to have a like good psychology. So that's gonna build up over time. If you're into this for a long period of time, you're gonna improve that shit. But um, uh, create what you can like how you can have a good strategy or concept. So yeah, focus on that. Sometimes do not even wait if you have if you do not have any strategy or concept. Just try to figure out every day where market gonna go and annotate your charts. And then yeah, if markets move, take a screenshot, uh, keep them in a drive folder, revisit them, see what happened at what time certain things happen. You're gonna find your strategy, bro. All right. Do we have a simple DXY? No, we do not have a simple DXY yet. So I'll be back. What the fuck? Dr. Trade. When sit on the charts, do you start analyzing step by step? Focus on those kill zones, the ICT kill zones. Let me tell you what I use. You can use, yeah, 7 p.m. to midnight open as your HTM session, but that time you should not look for your setup. 12 a.m. is your midnight open, and then I personally use 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. for learning session, because if you look at like ICT's old videos, you're gonna know what time zone he was using as kill zones. So right now maybe you guys think so many traders using 2 to 5 a.m. as a London kill zone, but for me, from the very beginning, I'm using 1 to 5 a.m. for London kill zone. Then there comes the next one you want to look for is uh, 7 to 10 a.m. So that's the New York session. 7 to 10 a.m. your New York session, and then 10 to 12 your London kill zone. So you have these four kill zones. You uh, mainly gonna focus on London kill zone and New York kill zone. Every day, whenever you come to the church, take a screenshot on the daily time frame before it even moves. Then go to then draw your annotation. Where do you think price is gonna go and why it's gonna go to that certain levels? Then, uh, after London sessions like happened, you should go to your charts and then take screenshot and what do you expect to see on New York session. Then after the New York session and London session has ended, do your full analysis on the charts, take the screenshots, make a date wise folder on your Google Drive, then upload them there. And you need to revisit them the base next Saturday and Sunday, because that time the market is going to be up. So you have to study what you saw during that the market open. So that's how I think you should do your analysis. But because if you even like watch hundreds or thousands of video every day, you're not gonna get this shit until you like uh, train your eyes to see certain things what you wanna see on this price. Like here you could have like there's like 20 fair value gaps, so which one should you use, right? So when you open the chart, which one just grab your attention? That kind of training you need to do with your eyes, bro. Just put enough time to this shit and you want to figure that out. That's what I can say. What do you take? There's an SMT forming in Euro and DXO. What's your take? I mean, it could reverse, but I'm looking for lower prices on Euro and GBP. But if we do get a pullback, I'm okay to like have a SMT with that low, but I do not want to see price take out that low right there. So I'm gonna trail my stop loss right there. So there's my stop loss. I'm okay to see a SMT like this, or maybe this with DXY or pound, but I do not want to see price to swap that high. So that's my productive price. So my stop loss are there, and I've taken majority of my position off when we took that low there, because I'm seeing price not even moving on Euro, but it's gotta go down. It's gotta go down if we are bearish on the daily time frame, and if I'm right about that, uh, like right about the bias, it should go down, bro. And yeah, I'm okay to see a S&P right here now. I've been handling this position for how long? So I went short at 2:30 a.m. Right now it's 8 a.m. So that's like 5:30, 5 hours and 30 minutes. Yep. I mean, do not go. Let me tell you another secret. When price move like 40 pips from its opening to certain direction, it's not gonna reverse to the opposite direction in that uh, same day. I recently put a video where ICT talked about that. You could maybe whoever like listen to that, they know when price like move 40 pips, it's not gonna reverse to the opposite direction. So just remember that. So if you look at GU from the very opening, it already moved like 78 pips. So it's not gonna go up, bro. It's not gonna go up. And then if you see Euro moved like 54 pips. Was it 54? Yeah, almost 54 pips. So it's not gonna go up. Either it's gonna consolidate around here, and the very next day, if we are gonna reverse from here to the upside, the next day you should see something. But today I think it should, maybe it's gonna take a minor pullback and then go down. Are you profitable? Yes, bro, I am. I'm a full-time trader, and yeah, I do have my strategy or concept, whatever you want to say, and I'm trading almost for 5 years right now. I'm 25 now. I started trading around 20. So yeah, during I think 2020, I've started trading. You see, price now gotta go down. Did you have any incentive? No, we do not have any incentive right now. Alright, we do not have any incentive right now. Do we have anything? Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream and yeah, sub up, yo. By the way, chat, join the Discord server if you want to chat, and I'll probably do some chatting over there also over the week during the weekend, and I'll probably be doing market recap and weekly review on there also if I get time, and if you guys want to like have this weekly analysis, you can join the Discord, and I'll probably soon gonna start doing that shit too. I've tried doing that for 2 or 3 times. I guess that time there was not like that much member online, so I didn't do that. So yeah, join the Discord server and yeah, follow me on X chat. I'm probably gonna do a giveaway very soon. You're gonna have a giveaway very soon. So join the Discord, follow me on X. So I need to grab some water. Damn, it's going down. Chat, I haven't even put my PDOS on the charts yet. So many of you like trying to figure that shit out. You see all these uh, PDOS being hidden right now. I'm doing that because of some guy trying to be smart right now. So that's why I'm hiding them. I wanna see if they can like figure that shit out. It took me like 3 years to figure that out, bro. We'll see if they can like figure that out. What I use, what PDRI do I use? And let me tell you one thing: I don't even use something that ICT use. ICT chart, bro. That's it's like a fair value gap, but it's not what ICT taught in his channel. Just know that. All right, we are going down. Once I see that low being broken, I'm sure it's gonna continue going down. All right, now step into the 1 minute. That was on the 15-minute time frame, I guess. Yeah, the 15-minute CB right there, and took a minor pullback into that BC right there also. How many points did it move? But chat today, I think it's gonna take out this Asian session slow. And if we move more lower, then I'll be looking at that low right there at 24,741.94. So that's Friday's low. So those are my, if we kind of start to go down, those are my objective on NAS. We took out the all-time high. That's that EH. That's that EH right there. Let me make that bold. Right. Do we have any SMT right now? Chat, we do have a SMT right now with that low, right, that swing high right there. So I want to see what we do to that. I think we could see some yeah, fucking crazy. It's fucking crazy how cool is that, bro? Cool is that? Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, there you go. So you thought about you saw that SMT on the lower time frame and thought about price gonna reverse, bro. Let me tell you something. Whatever you do, just do not consider the lower time frame SMT. Always start with the 15-minute time frame. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, what makes a swing low? We have a cat. Let me just make it black. Many of you like have these misconceptions about swing lows. So we have a down close candles, then we have another down close candle that took out that low. Now what do we need to have a swing low? We want to see a higher low candle, so that's gonna make a swing low. But if you look at the 15-minute time frame, we only made like lower low. Each of those candles are lower low, right? So that was not like a clean swing low for me. This was a swing low. This right here was a swing low. So now I think you get that. Do not consider the 5 minute swing low, bro. And I told you, just remember that this is gonna help you so much when market like move like 40 pips or over to certain direction. It's gonna not gonna reverse during that day. Just note that, bro. You should you gonna, if you analyze your chart right now, you're gonna see so many things. All right, we're still gonna look for lower prices though. We're still gonna look for lower prices, chat. So my ear hurts, bro. Fuck. How do they even keep this shit for hours and hours, bro? Yo, fuck. Chat. 40 minutes later, there's gonna be a videos. There is video scheduled for 7 a.m. So there's 39 minutes left for that video to be published. So make sure you watch that. Uh, and yeah, keep watching the live. Stay with me. Chat, give a thumbs up, bro. What are you even doing, bro? Give a thumbs up and yeah, sub up if you're new here. Chat, what type of new content should I do? Should I make like trade recap or like do what should I do? I'm trying to figure out what do you guys want. Should I do trade recap or should I keep doing this live stream where I take live trade or should I do like should I trade live but I make a series on that? Like if I pass a prop account, I'll be trading that prop account and maybe gonna record those videos while I'm trading those prop accounts evals and then gonna publish. Should you do you want to see that type of content or are you okay with this live stream? Bro, yesterday I streamed like 3 hours and 9 minutes, bro. Yesterday I streamed like 3 hours, bro. Fuck. And I blew a 50k account yesterday. I was so pissed off at Nas yesterday, bro. Nas was being too nasty yesterday. Alright, there we go, chat. There we go. Boom, 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 bap, bap, boom. There we go. Bam. Come on, bro. Come on. I told you after that pullback, you were gonna move cleaner. I think that's the number 4 cigarette. How many I've smoked? Bro, I need to quit smoking, bro. Fuck. 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, that's the number 4, bro. I smoked like 4 cigarettes within like 1.5 hours, bro. Fuck. If my mom sees the live stream, bro, he's gonna beat me, bro. She's gonna go crazy. Fuck. Chat, are you guys buying like CRT course again? How many of you bought CRT's course? I mean Romeo's course again. I'm I'm fucking laughing at some of those guys, bro. But we are testing that. Did you check out that low? We took out that low. Alright, we made equal lows right there. We did not check out that low yet. So fuck, bro. Oh, alright. We didn't do that either on pound two. DXR also didn't took that either. What the fuck? Chad, you were gonna go like crazy. You were gonna go down like crazy. You'll see. You will see, bro. I'm not gonna do too much of analysis right now. Yo, bro, I was laughing like crazy when you put that I'll be back on the Discord, bro. Yesterday you also did that same thing. You will like and subscribe, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm still laughing, bro. I'll be back. Like you're in some movie or what, bro? You're still having lunch. Or I did made some noodles today before the stream, and yeah, I've got those, bro. I'm full right now. I made some noodles and yeah, drink like one cup of coffee. After the stream, I'm gonna make my meal, bro. Yep, bro. So are you done? Are you done with your lunch, bro? Oh, is that you, Papa Cassie? Oh yeah. I thought that dear trait, Dr. Trait. He's having lunch. He's in my chat right now. He's telling my viewers to like and subscribe, bro. He got a job. We have like 1 hour left for the market open. Like it's now 8:30, right? All right, Nas working into that 15-minute review right there on the lower time frame. We already like made a SMT, but didn't form any swing high yet. If you look at ES, this current candle on the 5-minute chart closed below the previous one, so we will have a swing low on ES, but Nas still didn't make any like swing high, so can't trust that. Yeah, it could go higher, but I think it's gonna swap that Friday low, I guess, and then move up for the rest of the week. That could also happen, but we only know up to the market open. All right, 8:30 hit right now. Let's see. Hit the 8:30. And now I think we might see some manipulation on chat. Right now, I'm expecting to see some sort of SMT with maybe with pound or DXY on euro. We didn't form any SMT on with lows. What? What? Yeah, I'm looking at my euro trade because there's nothing on NAS, bro. We have SMT right now on the 5-minute chart though. Like NAS could like when the market open, it would shoot up and then go down. So I need to see something on the 15-minute time frame. Just whenever I try to trade like the 1 minute time frame, I get cooked, bro.
Yeah, 1 minute is wow, bro.
It is,
One
bro.
action on one.
On MT5, it like moves so fucking crazy. It like scared the shit out of me.
Trade is very good at the 1 minute chart.
But I do not pre I
It's good at the one.
which pair?
Welcome back, folks.
Nas.
Oh my god.
Yo, Dre.
Oh my god. ICT.
Welcome back, folks.
Welcome back, folks. Bro, I thought you went to give any audition to for a movie. You put that I'll be back. I thought you went to give an audition.
I was great, man. I was hungry.
Yeah.
I just had my lunch. Yes, Papa Grassy. What do you say?
Yeah, we're talking about the 1 minute chart. How price has been moving crazy.
o- on on TradingView it seems fine, but whenever you go to your broker, bro, it's
Yeah,
like
broker. Yeah, you get those. Yeah,
it's like it keep jumping.
yeah. Brokers. Yeah, especially indices.
Yeah, yeah. Indices like fucking crazy. On TradingView it seems normal, but bro, that's why I'm not gonna bro see the 1 minute chart uh, again, bro. Trust me, I'm not gonna pull up the 1 minute chart. Yeah, after that yesterday's blowing an account, I'm not gonna open that 1 minute time frame. I'll stay with the 5 minute time frame, but uh,
Monthly, 15 days.
yeah, bro, you could be right about the direction, but when you go to the 1 minute time frame, you feel like my price gonna take your stop loss right now. Like it's fluctuating that much that you will get scared that price gonna go to your stop and then take it up. But when we check the higher time frame, like 15-minute time frame on the 5 minute, we see that it made a huge wick to that place and then went to our direction. So that like make me crazy, bro.
These high frequency traders, isn't it? On a lower time frame.
Yeah,
30 seconds, 15 seconds.
bro, so you're talking about seconds, bro.
Papa, he trades. Yeah, Johnny Papa, he trades 30 seconds.
Oh my God, that's ICT son, bro.
He trades 30 seconds sometimes. He tells, bro, look, there's a candle on 30 seconds. I said, brother, come on, get out of here.
I can't even stand the 1 minute time from he's trading the 30 seconds, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah. I don't mind trading 1 minute time frame,
Yeah. But I see on Twitter like most of those uh, I guess the traders ICT traders who trade like those micro time frames they like to trade the PM session because at that time I think markets like go pretty slow, not like the opening hour.
Yeah.
So I think they trade after like 10 or after 11 a.m. I saw that too many times.
Yeah, when there's a bit less volatility.
Yeah,
It's very easy to trade on 1 minute time frame. I won't say easy, but
yeah. Forex is moves like normally it's good, but all right, euro is being crazy up now. It's just working within that area.
you need to look out continuously lows and EU fail continuously lows.
But it's not
Same
going
thing with
up.
NSNT.
It's not going up today.
We never,
It's not going
yeah,
up
we
today.
never control it though.
It will. It's gonna take a pullback, but it's not gonna go up, bro. It already moved like 50 pips on euro and almost like 80 pips or 90 pips on geo. Then it's not gonna go up.
It's not correction. You're waiting for a pullback. You're waiting at least
you ready to go short, I guess. Yeah, that's why you're. Call the market makers. To tell them to give a pullback to your fair value gap or yeah, call them, tell them to bring price to that fair value gap. But bro, if I say something now, I'm not gonna say something about him, bro. No, I do respect him, but sometimes like people go crazy if you say some negative shit about him. But I do not like to say anything negative about him because it all started with him, bro. Not gonna lie. Yeah, bro, my point is that if his shit that doesn't work, go find someone else. Why you like spread hate about him, bro? If you don't like someone, then do something else, bro. But you could see that the precision with his concept we get, there's no one or not even any retail trader we get that type of precision without any indicator or whatever on the charts. Bro, do you guys watch Do More? Do more. Search on YouTube. You're gonna love, bro. Watch his videos, bro. I watched like two or three of his videos. He's like too funny, bro. He's trying like uh do more. Search on YouTube. Do more. No, no, no space. No space. Without space. Let me just show you. Do with voice YouTube. What's fucking YouTube? He's trying strategy every week, bro. Sometimes he's trying like right now I think he's trading with algo box. Where is it? So I do not even. Did you find him? Yep. Did you find him? Yep. Where is he? Where is he? I cannot find him. Where is yeah, find him. Ah, there is a space, bro. Bro, look at him, bro. L- l- Look at his thumbnails, bro. He's trying different strategies every day, bro. Like crazy. Look at his bio, bro. Look at his channel's bio. But he is a nice guy though. Yeah, he's doing for fun, like he do want to like quit his job, bro. You can see that though. Like anyone like who got into this trading thing, they all like want to quit job, bro. How to beat psychology in trading, bro? I'm also trying to do that, but I think figure out first what you're doing wrong and journal every day, and then yeah, try not to do those wave things that cost you lose money or whatever you shit. Do you go to gym, bro? I do not, but I think I've started doing push-ups or anything, push-ups, sit-ups every day after I just woke up. I think I started that from tomorrow to not tomorrow. It was I think, let me see. I think I started that from Monday. I started doing journals again. My daily journaling, not for trading, but for my daily life also. I need to lock in, bro. I need to lock in, bro. So that's why I started journaling again. You could see, let me show you that. So there's my daily journal. I have my trade journal also in that with the day with my everyday life, what I'm doing. But I do not have that time to go to the gym. But I'll try to, yeah, I'll try to go to the gym, bro. But I need to have more time because I have to do my cooking by myself. I have to clean my house, then have to make videos, then have to uh, analyze the market before the London session. So there's so many things I have to do, bro. And you also see all those ICT contents, those motivational speeches. They take like a pretty hell, bro, pretty hell of a time. So yeah, right now I do not have that much of time to put in the gym. So I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. But if you have time, you should go to the gym. That's a very good thing. I used to go to the gym, but I stopped it when I quit my job and started doing full time, started trading full time and then making content for full time. Uh, yeah, before that I used to go to the gym. But right now I do not have that much of time. Where are you from? Let's keep that for later because that's gonna surprise you. I do not want to say where I'm from right now. And that doesn't even matter for you, bro. You were here for like to learn something or whatever you want to know. So focus on that, bro. All right, Chad. I think we might make a SMT like this. We might. I'm not saying we're gonna, but I'm expecting to see a SMT right there within that fair value gap. We could see a SMT, and we could use that old fair value gap as a support. I mean, as a resistance. Bro, just trail your stop loss or take some partials. Trail your stop loss to profit and then take some partials, bro. Take your majority of your positions. Bro, even if it doesn't go down, it's not gonna go up. Either it's gonna consolidate for today, then tomorrow it's gonna swap the lows, bro. If you look at GU, it took out that. Let me tell you that. Wait, why is that low? That 25th September low, GU didn't took that low, so that's why GU went faster to took that Thursday's low, I think. Yeah, October 2, that low on euro, that low took out the uh where from fucking chart is, yeah, that October 2 have been taken out with that move, the Monday's move. So that's why it's hesitating to go down right now. I might just take majority of my position and then leave. G is going back to OT, then gonna drop. Yeah, bro, that's what I also think. G is gonna go back to OT. Chad, are you on euro? On euro? 1 point? At what price? Oh, above that swing high. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, take 80% of your position of them. So that's got that. Then you're not gonna have any stress. What the fuck I'm doing, bro? Chat. Do you see something right now with a pattern? Do you guys see something? Let me tell you something. Why we saw GU move very first below that low. If you compare your Euro chart, let me pull that up. Pull up the chart. Let me just close this one. All right. That's a free knowledge for y'all. So yeah, you have to sub up for that. After that, if you look at Euro, that's a Euro chart, and that's the pound. So that low right there, the Thursday's low, was taken on during Monday on Euro. But if you look at pound didn't took out that low. So there was the majority of the stop loss on pound was over resting below that low. That's why pound went there and took out that low. Just because we took out that low before on Euro during Monday, so we took out that low on Monday on Euro. So that's why Euro's not trying to go down there because there's no low. I mean, there's not any stop loss right now compared to pound because pound didn't took out that low during that Monday's move. So that's why it went there and took out that low. We might see a pullback above that high. We might. I'm not saying we're gonna see. We might see a pullback on Euro, but I might. I think I'm gonna close my whole position on this trade. Let me just wait, chat. Let me just close my whole position off. Yep, there we go. All right, I'm out. I might leave some position on this trade, but I'm out right now. Can you see chat? All right, so it's 8:30. We are gonna see some manipulation towards upside, but if we start to go down, and then you're gonna see that you're gonna be like melting, bro, because we wanna go down there, that low right there. What at 1.15740 price, that low on Euro is my longer term draw liquidity. But if we manage to go up there and break that low, my bias is gonna shift. Let me show you on the daily chart. If we go up and break that high right there, my bias is gonna shift for this week and maybe the next week. If I see something, I'm gonna tell you what I'll look for. But on the long term, I'll be looking for bearish prices on Euro. On the long term, I'm talking about the monthly, weekly, and the daily time frame. So what you have to do, you have to just flow with the trend, bro. You cannot expect price to go to your direction when you have a bias or whatever you want to call it. So just flow with the market, bro. Let me just keep this off. All right. So at least Euro should take out that low. That's what I want to see. After that, we might go up, but it's resisting to go down there. As I told you, that low right there, there's not that much of stop loss right now, so it might want to go higher and take some buy stops. So if you look now, it did took out some buy stop. It engineered some liquidity in the term of buy side liquidity and took out those right there. So it might now continue going down. If you understand what I'm saying, you get it. Bro, my mic was on for this whole time, bro. What the fuck? It's within the time frame. ICT sort of for OT 7 to 9 a.m. If it takes the high or low of the previous day, wait for a retrace to the OT. Yo, Dr. Trait. Oh, all right. What are you looking at?
Nothing. I'm chilling. I'm waiting for the market to open.
Bro,
8:30 now.
we all still have like 40 minutes left. Time's not even moving right now. Poo. I think we
We need
had
for a candle.
what
We need for a candle in 8 minutes.
on NAS or what? All right, we're gonna swap that, bro. Bro, I think you're gonna continue going down. I don't know, but it's gonna take some sort of buy side first, then go down. That's what I think.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So we have this big FPG.
Yep. All right, NAS gonna swap that all-time high again. Fuck, bro. How many higher it's gonna go? It just kept going higher and higher, bro. Fuck.
Yes, yes, just did that. Yes, just did that.
Yes, it.
Yeah.
No, no. Yes, yes. Yet to break that high, all-time high. It's
S&P 500. I mean, S&P 500 did that.
yeah. S&P 500 yet to go up, bro. If you look at the Friday's high, you're looking at maybe Monday's high. That's not the all-time high. The Friday's high is the all-time high.
Yeah, I just swept on my chart. Fusion markets.
Oh, I
Yeah, fusion markets. Just swept
maybe
on it. Yeah,
that could be a
just
reason.
hit a new high. Just hit a new high.
I didn't even you gave any
Yeah,
setup, bro. Fuck. All right,
yes, I'm looking at it right now.
you do have bro. I do not even like to trade NAS uh before the market open, and when the market opens, it just moves like crazy.
Mm.
Is there anything on Euro? All right, Euro still stuck within that fair value gap. Chad, do not expect Euro to have a crazy move upside, bro. Just wait for tomorrow. Maybe you could see something tomorrow. Bro, Chad, I do not have the what do you say? The premium membership of TradingView. I do not use that. I cannot pull up the futures chart. So that's why I'm saying the indices burning. Burning. I cannot, bro. I cannot see the futures chart. It's 10-minute delayed. So that's why I use, bro, my fuck, bro, my ears hurt, bro. It's like, all right, there you go. But I'm trading indices. That's why I'm looking at the indices charts, bro. If I was like trading futures, I would have like looking at those in the futures chart. But just because I'm trading the indices, that's why I'm looking at the indices charts. And probably we're gonna take. I think we might fail today on US 30. All right, USD JPY took out the daily high. All right, that was our drawn liquidity on the daily time frame. It look, bro, how beautiful is that? With from that daily fair value gap, it moved like fuck, and then we had these two consecutive order blocks. There you go. After price, you would say that change in the state of delivery on the 5 minute chart. That's I think that's more cleaner. Yeah. On that candle, New York session starts. So you could have like went long, and how much point is that? Oh, that was like 14 pips right there. We might go higher from there as well. Chat, not gonna lie, because we have that high also, and JPY was JPY being so crazy, it's moving higher like crazy, bro. So it could be another manipulation before 9:30 because right now it's 8:30, so price took a pullback, and maybe we could see another push to upside on USD JPY. USD CHF, I cannot say anything for USD CHF, bro. Fuck. Alright, you're gonna go down, I guess, for 10 to 15 minutes. Chat, as long as we are below that low, I'm still bearish. As soon as we broke that low and close out of that, price gonna pull for higher prices and look for buy side. Just keep in mind that. So once we break that high right there, let me put that annotation for you. Where is the fucking notes, bro? What? There you go. Once we close above that part, now this doesn't mean that we're gonna reverse, we're gonna shift the market and we're only gonna go up. It means that we probably gonna look for some sort of some specific level to take out some buy stops. After that, it could go down or it could like continuously go up, bro. Who the fuck just comment that shit? Did it comment? Not T. One will make you profitable, but started 10 and scale down to 5. Damn, bro. Chat. Sub up, chat. And yeah, chat, check out Finity Funding. You're gonna get 24% discount with next gen ICT coupon. So that's like there, you can like have a 10K account for 20, no, 10K account for 50 bucks, I guess. So yeah, check them out. And yeah, use next gen ICT coupon too. Fuck, where am I going to X, bro? Dang, bro. But you can get the real level on paper trading. No, bro, I think the futures, let me pull that up. Let me pull that up. On futures, you cannot like see there is CME futures. You see that delayed, see that is delayed. The market is delayed, data is delayed. Real-time data actions package, I have to buy that. So I cannot like see the real-time data. See, it's like 10 minutes delayed. So yeah, bro, on the futures too, it's gonna take out the all-time high. I think it did already. On the futures chart, it's gonna take out that all-time high too. It's too close to that. If you want, register in Ninja Trader competition, bro. That's a good idea. Thanks for that. Not gonna lie, thank you, bro. Here's the close one. Damn, bro. Fuck. All right, there we go. There we go on Euro. Did you tap into the premium chat? Did you tap into the premium? Yeah, we did. So that was the stop hunt from me. That was the stop hunt before 8:30. At 8:30 we start to spool off for buy stop. And if it doesn't fall right now, if we're in that short, just get out. If it doesn't go down right now, just get out. Just download it. All right, bro. Thanks, bro. I would probably download NinjaTrader, but you know what? I do not want to like focus on too many things right now. That's why I'm just staying out of futures, bro. Bro, fuck. Yeah, bro, are you seeing this? Yo, Dr. Trade. He went to check his patient, bro. What? He can't hear me? Why? What? Why not? What? Sorry. Let me just turn off the. Hello. He he muted though. He's muted his. He muted his. Yeah. Let me rejoin again. Wait. Yep. Yeah. Then I was in the plunks in Ness and close train. It would rest nice. Went to moon, bro. That's the thing, bro. When you see like when you get out of the trade, it's gonna shoot, bro. Yo, Doctor Trade.
Sorry, sorry, bro. I was on the phone.
Yeah, I can hear
Sorry, I
you.
was on the phone.
I can hear you right now.
And then it's moving.
Bro, there's our setup gone. Our setup is gone, bro. What the fuck? My viewers cannot see the.
Yeah, it's gone blank.
No, no, it's okay right now. I think because I shift to Discord because I only shared the trading view window. That's why. La la la. Did you took the trade on gold?
Now I've been waiting for you, man, to come back here.
Bro, you missed all the moves today.
I know, bro.
You've been waiting for the moves on Euro 2 and the gold also just left you, bro.
It's fine.
I told you to call the market maker, bro. You did not call him.
I don't want to kidnap me, you know.
If you called him, like he should have like dropped that to that level. But what's Nas gonna
Deserve
do,
his
bro?
answers, yeah.
Bro, Nas moved like on the 5 minute time frame. All are like up close candles. It was like 71 points, bro. What the fuck? How many up close candle is that? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Bro, fuck. It's like 10 up close candle on Nas right now on the 5 minute time frame.
Yeah. It's crazy, you know that.
I mean, there was a fair value gap on the 5 minute time frame, and price did respected that right there. If you look at ES also, so they both of them like move so clinchily. That was like a market maker buy model. It's the all-time high. Oh fuck. Alright, JPY is going down. JPY is gonna take a major pullback today, I guess. It took out the daily high. Did DXY took out the daily high? DXY didn't took out the daily high chat. It again tapped to the same area with the price tapped yesterday. Those are that void there. I mean, these candles opening and Thursday's opening and the Monday's opening. It's coming down from there. See? Fuck. All right. I think it's gonna take out that high. Yeah, chat. Remember that you see there. Okay, just all right. It put right there. Oh, that was like a high risk on liquidity run for a euro because we took that low before. Bro, there's not gonna be any setup today on euro. Yes, I think what time is it? It's almost 9:08. Do you trade like the PM session on Forex? Hey, Dr. Trade.
Not Forex, NAS.
Huh? What?
NAS 100.
Or so you do not trade
NASDAQ.
Forex during PM session?
No, not Forex.
I never did
No,
so,
I have
bro.
a cut off time for Forex.
So how long you sit in front of these shirts, bro? It's been
Look at
like
the charts, man.
it's been like almost 6.5 hours. You are doing this call.
We do this every day, bro. Every Friday, me and Papa Kwesi, we are chilling.
Nah, there's might be some other secrets.
I wish, man.
What the fuck? Behind the scenes. Alright, Geo probably gonna give a clean OT. Alright, it's gonna move like continue going up. Alright, on the 50-minute time frame, that huge fair value gap. Well, should I not? Should I? Yesterday we had someone in this call was like singing, right?
He'll be back. He'll be coming soon now.
Yeah, he was singing and I was in drawdown, bro. Yeah, he was singing. I do not know why he was singing, but I was in drawdown at that time, bro. How was the day for? How was yesterday for you too? Was it green or red yesterday?
Yesterday was BE for me.
Break even.
Break even for me.
All right, that's good. All right, use the JPY. Try to let it go back. Have that, uh, yeah, have that bullish fair value gap one more time, and then you go long. You see how choppy that down move is. So that means the JPY doesn't want to go low. That's like a high risk and liquidity run. So you can consider that as an internal range liquidity run. So if we see a close of that bullish fair up one more time on the 5 minute chart, that bullish fair up, that first one, if you see a close, then it's gonna move up, and you can probably target that high 151.213. All right. Mm, 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 mm. Now I do not know where NAS and ES gonna go from. No, there's nothing we can expect for the market to give us. At least we have to wait for I think 10 a.m. to see something. Because the both are moving in the same direction right now. Are you in the trade or you just waited?
What the last and I was waiting for this here to come here.
Oh,
Mark executed.
yeah, but yeah, if you look at S&P took support from that breaker block on the I think on the 15 minute time frame. On the 15 minute, S&P took support from the breaker block. You see that? I think everyone just want to have those uh, first move during the opening. By the way, is everyone here is just a full-time trader or do something else? I said like everyone who join here are like a full-time trader or do something else.
No, I told you I got my
Bro, is your network is bad or mine? Which one is bad, bro?
online business. Can you hear me? Yeah.
The network is bad,
Can you hear
bro.
me?
Now okay. I know about you told me that yesterday, but I'm asking like what those other guys do. Like do they like trade full time?
Yeah, Papa Quest he trades full time. My other friend he works. He trades.
Then you have a good.
Papa Quest is also full time.
Where are you from, Papa Tracy?
He's gone to sleep, I think.
You went to give an audition, bro, like you.
Papa Quest, wake up.
Does he have a speaker beside his head, bro? He's gonna like uh,
No, he's gone.
he's gonna wake up like
There you go.
uh,
He's back. He's back. He can't hear you.
it was a night. It was like a nightmare for him, bro. My network is so bad. I think my internet is so bad right now. I guess. No, it just, bro. What the fuck?
Okay.
Yes, brother.
The NAS.
Yo,
The nasty, nasty.
Yeah, we missed it.
huge expansion, huge expansion.
Fuck.
There you go. Yeah, yes, yeah. Yes, Johnny Papa. Johnny Papa is back now.
Yeah.
Things here.
Bro, there's nothing, bro. What the fuck? Ah, shit,
Let's see.
shit,
Let's see
shit.
what happens.
Yeah,
Okay, all the yesterday's midnight reactive, previous day low, previous day low, still intact, previous day high has been taken out, high has been taken out. Asian lows being taken out on S&P 500, S&T currently in place.
I
Any equals,
turn
let
it.
me know equals.
Chat price might go higher from here, or it could like create some sort of SM2 with those highs, then go down. Let's see. We have like 13 minutes left for the
Yeah,
news.
we should see manipulation to the downside and then higher prices.
If you want to see higher prices, then it would create some sort of manipulation with lows.
There's equal lows on S&P 500, just above the midnight open.
Yeah, there is. Let me see
Relative.
relative. But yes, I think yes gonna be more first. SMP, I mean SMP is gonna be more first. That 605 low. It could shoot down there.
When?
605. I mean, yeah, 6 a.m. That low, I think.
6 a.m. Yeah.
Yeah, SMP could go down there.
Yeah,
And
that's what I marked out. 6 a.m. Yeah, 6 a.m.
Yeah, we were below the 50% as well. We want to be inside the 50% buying this.
on the hourly
Yeah, that
hourly
is
time
below.
frame,
Yeah, so
on the hourly time frame, we also have a BC there as well, and we also have a breaker.
Break is nice, isn't it?
That breaker is, but I think we already did the move from breaker. That upside movement from that breaker was already done. Bro, I cannot say anything before
we've
the market open, bro.
we've got a new week opening gap that could be a target.
You're into futures, I guess.
Yeah, I am. Yeah,
That's right. We are looking at the indices.
because we can potentially.
Did the futures NQ took out that all-time high?
Yeah.
Did
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yes. Done.
Yeah, NQ and ES both taking out all-time highs. So when it's taking out all-time highs, you just want to buy up. To be fair, you don't want to be doing anything else.
Buy up, bro. How far it can go? Bro, if gold hits like 4,000, then some crisis is gonna come up. There's gonna be crisis. There's already is, bro. I think Bitcoin broke the all-time high again.
Yeah.
Yeah, it did.
Bro, fuck yeah, it's gonna
So
go
I
to.
thought.
Do you have like any holdings on Bitcoin?
Yeah, I'm holding Ethereum.
Got nothing.
How many?
Ethereum and altcoins.
How many?
Just one.
Then get. Bro, 20. I think it was 2021. If I could have like bought one Bitcoin, I would be like making like almost like $100. Oh, sorry, 100,000 with one Bitcoin, bro.
Yeah. So
Fuck,
after the new week opening gap, does it need to mitigate the whole gap, or can it just tap the top quadrant of the gap?
You can just tap.
bro,
Because
what
if
the
it
fuck?
reacted a
My
it
camera
reacted
just
a
went off.
50% of the gap.
Chat. You can only hear the voice
50%
because
ES reacted a 50% of the
the
new week opening gap.
camera's dead right now. Fuck. Just that shit. Bro, my camera is
How
well,
dark the edge looking?
my camera just went that. I didn't charge that. That's why I guess
Yeah, today should be a continuation model. What do you think, guys?
only the opening would say that, bro.
Okay.
You cannot say anything before the opening.
Okay.
I think we should wait for at least 10 a.m. Maybe during 10 to 12, we think we could see some. Uh,
Let's keep an eye out for the first presentation as well. Look out for SMT as well. We've got a bullish SMT at the minute, guys. Bullish SMT.
Yep.
Should show high prices at the minute.
on the minute time
Let's look
frame.
at 8:30's first presentation. Anything reaction of that yesterday?
On
8:30.
indices, it didn't made any bullish S&P, bro. It's still going down. I think NAS still gonna go down on
Oh,
indices.
9:30 yesterday. Let's see.
It's, fuck. Chat, I have like 2 batteries left yet, but I'm gonna charge this one.
Interesting. Very interesting, guys.
All right.
Very, very interesting.
You're from UK as well. Your
US,
bro.
US. I'll be back.
Is that Johnny? Who's talking about me? Bro, I cannot hear him, bro. All right.
Yesterday's first presentation on futures S&P 500 6777, just below midnight open. So if we do see a reaction of that,
That
we're definitely
low is
going
my
bullish.
target. We can. Yeah, the Asian sessions
I've
low
got
is
that marked
also
at the
a.
minute. So let's see. Let's see, guys.
Or do we have like 5 minutes left for the market open?
9:23 just opened. Any structures being created for a sell-off? 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
So, tick, 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 tick. It is gonna be back today. Let me just use this one. Where is the quadrant? Right there. So that aligns perfectly with the lower quadrant. Let's see. I'll be looking for that low as well. Grab some orders. chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, sub up. Let's say 16K this week.
Well, I'm back.
We'll take the next 2 minutes to do that. But you have to ultimately see how it opens up. That's going to tell you a large portion of this. So when I'm watching this thing right now, I'm on a 1 minute, and I'm going to be glancing between a 1, a 5, and a 15. And I already kind of stated I like the way that the London low looked with Asia's low at 850. So you pretty much have that low, then a slightly higher low at 430. And there's also yesterday's low from 10:30, 10:45, 10:50 a.m., 11 a.m. So you have that whole just little group of lows just being stacked right in there. So in other words, it looks like it's kind of just like consolidating the upper half of that whole premium trading hours gap. Now, since we do not have anything below an opening price, I would prefer that they come back down, clean everything up, and then that would actually allow them to open up the availability to start pumping a large range in, right? Take us all the way back up. It does not have to do that. Okay. So we're gonna, like what I was saying earlier, we have a bullish bias, but we have a bearish temporary vision because we still expect a low of the week to be put in, having the week opening gap fill. Okay. So we can just kind of like run through like some price action and stuff right now. So something I like already on the minute 5, you can see there's a lot of stretched out price movement, right? So you can compare that now with
It's not.
like London sessions. So if you look at 2 a.m. where it opened up, so opened, look at, you
All
have
right,
that nice
20
large stretch.
seconds left
Look at the
for the
candles here.
market open.
Stayed inside the range. You poked outside the range. Like think about this, ready? So from at 2 a.m. when it opened up, I'm on a 5-minute chart. 2 a.m. price opens up.
Yo.
It drops
Move your
down.
phone, man.
You're looking at this, you're like, all right, we're starting to get some movement, nice. And then they curl it back in the range. It makes it lower 230.
Yes, they open, guys. Yes, they open.
All right, there it goes, chat. The market is open right now. Let's see what it. Yep, it's going down. Let's see. Yes, I'm looking at these lows, bro. Not gonna lie, but it could go higher. But let's just wait. That way we can see. We can. What did you tap in? All right. We tapped into that DC right there on the 15-minute time frame. I'm not gonna pull up the 1 minute time frame chat because that's too much of information on the chart. So let's just wait and see. Let's see. We might just go down. I want to see lower prices. Not gonna lie, chat. Yeah, bro. There's now not that much volatility these days. Yo, Dr. Trade. Bro, what's your name, bro? Alright. But we are seeing some nice reactions there. Let's see. See, on the 1 minute time frame, there's too much of information right now. See? See, that's what gonna scare the shit out of us. Yeah, there it goes. Expected that, bro. We tap into that STB right there. Until we reverse that, until we inverse that, we're not going up. We're gonna continue going down if we do not inverse that. I want to see a close up of that. If we do not see that, it's gonna keep going down, bro. And we might see 24,952 being taken today. But just wait, then we can see what's gonna happen. All right. Want to trade for a living, though that's the goal. So keep on working on that, bro. Do not quit. Like you will get that shit one day. Just do not quit. Alright, we tapped into the lower quadrant on that week. Let's see. Chat, until we inverse that upper fair value gap you see there. I think the candle comes at, it was the 9:14 a.m. candle. That CB right there. As long as we're below that, I'm not looking for any higher prices. Um, I'm probably look for sales.
First presentation, yeah.
The first presentation. That's not the first presentation though. There's no low yet. No fair value gap presented yet on the 1 minute time frame. I don't know about the second charts, but we have to inverse that on the 8. I think it's 8:15 or 9:15, 9:14. There we go. Once we inverse that, we could go up, but still, it's still working within that in that week. There we go. All right, we've created the BC.
On NAS.
Yep.
So that's 15 minutes.
Yeah, there we go, chat. I think we're gonna see. There we go. Just as I've said, once we inverse that, it's gonna go higher. There we go.
We might get some tea.
Bro, I was saying like once we inverse that, it's gonna go high. Yeah, fuck. Yeah, if we see retracement back into that, that's a good opportunity to go long. But make sure you also look for these two. Let me put that uh, week right there as well. Boy, is someone like watching someone's Discord? I mean service signal.
Give me a sec.
Yo, bro. All right, we tapped into first one. Let's see. We do have the meet consequent encouragement of that week also. There we go. If we do not see anybody into that BC right there, that's a very good trade, bro. But let's just wait. Pa, pa, po, po. We didn't inverse that yet. Come on. Alright, we tapped into that. We close that
Nothing yet. Sit on your hands, brother.
on the 15-minute time frame. There's nothing. Let's measure this week. Yep. There's a up close candle there's as well, so that could be order block. I want to see price continue upside upwards from there. Right. Do we have an SM2 ETS? Or SMP is looking good though, and we have a bullish SMT. Bro, we have a bullish SMT right now, and bro, that's a nice long. There we go. That's good. That could be a straight up chat right there. You should have a stop loss right below there. Because it's gonna move like crazy right now. So you should have a bigger stop loss.
All little kid songs on, man.
What's that?
I said all little kids songs on.
Kids songs.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Kids song.
Baba Black Sheep.
Blah, blah, blah.
That.
Twinkle little stuff.
You made a video on losing money, and here you are trading a day with no high impact news club. Bro, I'm not trading NAS, bro. I've I've already taken my trade on the euro today. What are you even saying? You just came up in the chat and say anything you want.
Hey, Papa Quest, you're quiet, man.
Pop of course is still taking rest, bro. Yeah, there we go. There we go. It tapped the first quadrant on that week. Damn, bro. There we go. You see that for higher quadrant there, right there on that week,
Again, an SMT, you know.
and we also had bullish S&P. There we go. Let me make that gray. And make this one a blue one. Let me just.
The consolidation is way too much, brother.
Gonna come back to this facilitation, man. Pick up this outside. Gracie.
SMT and SMT, 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 SMT. No SMT yet.
Go. Sweep that. That's it swept. Getting to the first
5 minutes.
presentation.
5 minutes left. Bro.
Getting to the first presentation.
Yes, his first presentation is incoming.
Yeah. Be waiting for that. Not yet.
Chat. I want to see price go up before it
2 minute
tap the
break as well,
first
like
presentation,
that's
bro. Not gonna lie, cause if we gonna go through that, we're gonna go low. So I want to see that high being swept before we even consider going lower. And at that time, we might see some S&P
9.5,
ETFs
yeah?
like that. But it's too
That's
much
your
of consolidation right now.
first presentation.
That's why I do not trade 1 minute time frame, bro. That's fucking like crazy
Yes, doesn't have
how
that.
much fluctuation you could see, like that much volatility you can stand that. If you like me,
Fucking yes,
trade
yeah.
5 minute time frame, bro.
S&P has that first presentation.
But there's a high chance that we could go up from
Yes,
there.
doesn't, but S&P
Do we
does
have
that
any S&P right now?
right now.
We do not have any S&P yet. Bro, what the fuck? Let me add.
what do you say?
Yes has this first presentation. It's reacting to that. Not yes, I mean S&P.
Chat, this sometimes work. Sometimes this work though. Not all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could go low, bro.
You think we should get a sweep? We shouldn't, should we?
Reacting this first presentation on that.
We could go low. Yeah,
Here,
we could go low.
coming back to this first presentation.
Yeah, I
this
think we're
first
gonna go
presentation
low,
is
bro.
holding
If we like
hell really nicely.
go through that, there's no use of this one right now.
We
Let
have
me
second
see,
presentation.
let me see, chat, let me see. Fucker. I gotta run. See you all tomorrow. Yo, alright.
You got a bearish or bullish?
Bullish.
Have you taken in trade, bro? It's too much volatility right now.
$9.30. I mean, 9.50 macro might draw into our equal lows below. Midnight open. React off there, innit?
Yeah, I mean I don't mind if you come a bit more. You know, do 7 touch to 50%. You remember that?
Should see price draw lower, man.
Yeah, yes, I want to see that. I want to see that happening, innit?
Draw lower at least 50 points, 80 points, and then move up.
But this presentation is holding quite nicely.
Bro, I think there's gonna be any if any setup forms, it's gonna be like after 10 a.m. Are we going
We
back?
need an SMT, a quick bearish SMT, catch the sell towards the draw, and that's it.
Yeah.
Show the winner.
All right, Chad, it's going up. Do we have any SMT right now? We do not.
We just need to move down, man. We need to get an SMT. Come on.
No.
We should be getting SMT now.
Yeah, I need that. Like, if you can move low, would be nice.
All right.
I like this fairly gap here. Just up to 50%, just below the 50% level, you know.
All right.
Oh, the break has just held.
Let's use the body.
Patience, patience, patience. ES wants to go down. It don't waste no time.
Shoes, my guy, for shoes. There we go.
Yes, it's just creating low lows, isn't it? NASA's been so shit recently, hasn't it?
Going about. Needs to make up his mind. Nasty, nasty.
But put it up. I'm gonna listen to a song, bro. There's nothing in the chart right now.
Have you got SMT with YM?
All right. Easy. Bro, why the screen goes black every time, bro? What the fuck? All right, it's okay right now. Chad, have you guys taken any trade any? What the fuck? I'm mumbling fucking crazy, bro. You guys taken any trade, bro? Still waiting. Alright, we tapped it. I think price respecting that up close candle, bro. Ta 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 na 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 na. Na 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 na. And that's just right. Chad, have you guys listened to Fake Smile by Fake Smile by Lyra HB? That's a fucking dope song, bro. The bass on that song is fucking crazy when you listen to that with headset on. That, yeah, yeah. Yo, bro. No, there's nothing, bro. Fuck. It just keeps stalling there. Yeah, bro. What's up, bro? La 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 la. I've been wrong. Mm, 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 It's a show. It's you. All right, we do have SMT right now, chat. So once we inverse that one right there, that CB right there, we're going up. We could consider a trade right now, but you should not risk too much. Just put your stop loss below there. Maybe we could just increase that a little bit. Oh, well, you know what? Just put it here. Once we inverse that, what's my bias? I was bullish, but I was looking for a lower price when the market opened. But right now, yeah, it's going up, bro. So that could be a setup right there, chat. We have SMT. Once if we are inversing that right now, we good to go, bro. But it's up to you, chat. Also have your own analysis, bro. Price already moved like it already moved like 7 points there. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. What the fuck? Damn, bro. There you go, chat. Put some W's in the fucking chat and sub up right now. It already moved like 1:1, I guess. Nah, that's not 1:1 yet. How much point is that? Yeah, there's the 1:1, and it's gonna smash that, bro. It's gonna smash that, and what do we have? How much point is it? That's almost 16 points there. Put some fucking W's, bro. By the way, chat, if you haven't joined the Discord, go join the Discord. We're gonna be doing like, bro, the mobile's my case on. We're gonna be doing market reviews and trade recap there as well. So yeah, if you don't want to miss that out, go and join the Discord community. All right, we have an bro. Fuck, we have SMP right now here. We do have SMP here also. Fuck, we should have entered on here, like on this candle. When we saw that SMT right there, we should have entered on there. So that would have like that was like 2 is to 2.9 yard trade right there. But whatever chat, fuck. Let's see. Just manage your risk a little bit. Just have it here. Have it here. So that would be like a 15-point stop loss. We also tap into the BC right there. Do you see that BC right there, chat? We have that BC right there as well. So let's see. You chose flowers, but I've come drawn. You spent pretty, I was funny. Chad, if we swap that low right there, if we, let me tell you what you should look for. If you see price broke that low right there, you should look for shorts. What should you target? You should target for these lows, that low right there, that and that one also. If it swap that low, bro, we had an SMT on the upper side, bro. Wow, that SMT. Yeah, so you should be looking at this every time. You should always have your like NAS and S&P 500 chart uh, by side, bro. All right, there you go. There it goes. Chad, I didn't took that trade though. I'm done for today because I've got a crazy good trade on Euro. So I'm not trading indices today. Alright, we tap into this order block. Let's see. I'm gonna put it off. That headset is just too crazy. Fuck. Come on, bro. You should be resting. Why are you doing live stream, bro? Why should I not do live stream? If I want to do it. Chat. Yo, chat. Give a thumbs up, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Something stuck. Something got stuck, bro. Fuck. What the fuck just got stuck, bro? Fuck. Alright, nothing stuck. Chad, it could go up still. Do we have a bullish SMT right now? No, we didn't form any bullish SMT yet. So if you're in the trade, I told you to move your stop loss into the first presentation's midpoint. So that's the safest place for me. If I would have to like be in this trade, but once it moved like when it moved like halfway to your target, like you should have like taken something off. If it didn't, that's not my fault, bro. If you have seen me trading, you know that I'll always like take some partials off when I get to like 50% of my initial target. Yeah, now it's gonna sell off. I think so. Oh, by the way, we have a SMT right now. If we could see a up close candle right now, that's a good scenario for us to be in this trade. Let's see. We do have that lower low on S&P 500. So if we stay above that low, we're good, bro. We're good. That right there is a good scenario. There it is. So it can shoot up right now. Just wait for that candle. Wait for S&P to create a swing low. If it doesn't, then we are going down. Yeah, there it goes. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, there it goes. So that trade is invalidated. But let's see what we can find. There's nothing right now, chat. I might wait for that low to be swept, because until we swap that low, we're gonna be like working within this range. If you see, most of the consolidation happened right around there, right there. See, so I'll be waiting for that low to be taken. After that, if I see any CB, then I'll probably go short and target some lower objectives. Try to like capture 20 points. Maybe I'll probably not. Bro, look at that reaction, bro. What the fuck? Look at that fucking reaction, bro. Fucking crazy, bro. No way, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, bro. We just swap that. Yeah. So we are going for that low. Yeah. Now see if you can have any CB or CB tag to tag you in. Look for any CB. But I think we might tap into that one more time and then go down, because uh, that first presentation is like the into premium, so we could tap into that and go down, bro. I may just keep that CB and put. So yeah, you have to keep in mind that too, bro. But I do not, for me, I do not want to see a body above that. You could have like went short at that candle's high. You should have, bro. Now it's gonna sell off like crazy. All right, let me show you where you can target. So that's the long-term target for me. The Asian sessions low is the long-term target on NAS. We're going there, bro. We're gonna go there. We're gonna go there, bro. Fucking crazy, ain't it, bro? Ain't it? Alright, let's see if we can get a push into that. So that's a bearish behavior right now. And we can use that these two down close candles as a breaker also. So that's the range. You will see price would reject from there. If we want to go lower, then price should reject from that first presentation. So that's a breaker right there also, chat. That whole area is a breaker. You see the reaction, see that reaction of that. Now just wait. But all right, we tapped into the midpoint of that. I don't going up. Fuck. What the fuck, bro? Bro, I do not want to see a body, bro. If I see a body, I'm not into that, bro. I'm not gonna prefer that trade if we see a body into that. but I'm not gonna prefer you that short, bro. You should probably wait for one more push down. Yeah, I'm gonna say what I want to say, bro. If I feel like the trade not gonna go to say certain to my direction, to my way, I'm out, bro. I'll probably just take the day off. Let's see if we can get a. All right. If we can get a close below that first presentation again, we could go down. We're now tapped into that order block. So you could have a like crazy risky trade right now. That's gonna be a little risky, bro. I'm not preparing for you that, but let's see if we can see that type of move. So 7 point to make 27 points. Let's see. So that's our order block right there. Chad, remember I'm not taking any trade, bro. So if you're not sure about anything, do not take any trade, bro. That's it. Just sit tight and watch the stream, bro. Enjoy the stream. I'm not even trading right now because I'm not gonna touch the 1 minute time frame anymore, bro. I put that in my journal that I'm not gonna touch the 1 minute time frame again. I'm only to like 5 minute time frame, and yeah, only gonna trade the 5 minute. I might trade 3 minute time frame sometimes, but not 1 minute, bro. Not. I'm not gonna trade 1 minute time frame. That's that's fucking crazy. It's you. Bro, I might make another cup of coffee and then again make some videos. Chat. I made like 3 videos for you all and scheduled them, bro. So today there's one that when published. I made 3 videos already. One is published, so two is scheduled. Two are scheduled right now. Make sure you watch that. And what else? Oh, I have to make the thumbnail, bro. Damn, bro, I didn't know that. But whatever, there it goes, bro. See, that's why I was not referring to that trade. We didn't respect that breaker block right there. That's why that 1 minute time frame is so fucking crazy. But people wanna like, bro, people are wanna like make money within 5 minutes of trading. What the fuck, bro? I'm not against that, but that's not my cup of tea, bro. I cannot stand that much volatility, and yeah, bro, that's not for me. That's just not for me, bro. See, we were expecting like upside movement from that uh, BC right there, but it went 2 times there. It wasted like from the 9:30, it wasted like 30 minutes there, bro. Fuck. All right, now I see something. Chat, have you guys taken any trade yet, or what are you doing? Are you guys in green or red today? All right, I think we wanna go up. Nas may take that all-time high again and then go down. Let's see our Euro USD. What the Euro USD did. Bro, I told you Euro USD not gonna go up, bro. Because we already moved like 50 pips for the day. So there's no like point, there's no way that it can reverse today. So it will go down, bro. I was able to capture like 30 to 35 pips today on Euro. So yeah, let's look at Nas. What that motherfucker does, bro? What that bitch does, bro? All right, it gave another chance to get in. There is another chance if it wants to go up, bro. I'm not trading that shit. I'm very okay right now. We have S&T. All right, that's so fucking crazy, bro. How that bitch move? See, see, fuck you, bro. Fuck you. PM session is far better, bro. But I cannot trade PM session though. My time zone doesn't allow me to trade PM session for NAS. That's where I live. During PM session, I'll be like sleeping. It's you, it's only you. Let me call my friend. Let's see how's we doing. Po 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 po. You. Bro, I'm feeling hungry. I'm starving right now. I made noodles, had that before starting the stream. Now I'm again hungry, bro. Fuck. I don't want to go outside though. Chad, join the Discord server. It's free to join. We can do weekly analysis there during Saturday and Sunday. So yeah, if you don't want to miss that out, watch GBP USD. Bro, I just watched it, bro. Do not consider any trade on GU today. The move for today is already done, bro. Do not consider to trade GU. Do not expect to go like um, do not expect to take a buy today. Just wait for tomorrow. If you haven't taken any trade today, that's good, bro. That's far better than having a loss. So just wait for tomorrow. Then you may see something on the charts. By the way, how are you, bro? I'm doing well, bro. May sometimes life is hard, bro. That's hard for everyone, bro. Everyone has their own problem, but sometimes we cannot like keep up with the problems, bro. And that's when we broke. And you guys are like my more like a family to me. 'Cause I've been doing this for almost like 2 years right now. This content, making content on the YouTube for 2 years. Without your support, there's nothing, bro. So thanks to y'all, bro. Those of you who gave me advice, thank you, bro. Just make sure, bro, that you do not do the same thing that I did. I think I'll be doing that shit couple more times in my life because if you are a trader, bro, you're gonna do that shit once in a while, bro. But you cannot just cannot control yourself all the time. There's a very few people who have that strong mentality. What about euro, bro? Euro, I'll say the same thing, bro. I'm still bearish for euro, but if I told you once we close out that high right there, that's a significant high. Because why we moved down from that swing high. So if we close out of that, we could have a deeper retracement. Let me see the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we could have a deeper retracement somewhere here. But if we go all the way up to here, then we're gonna go and like we're gonna shift the trend, bro. Then price gonna look for buy side. So that's why I'm telling you guys to wait for uh tomorrow. And chat, I'll probably just gonna be trading the London session, and I'm not gonna trade the New York session maybe, because and only gonna stick to 5 minute and 15 minute time frame, because maybe I'll be trading like one shot one fill trades. So those are like gonna be 1:4 hour trade. That's what I usually do. So because while I'm trading with y'all, that shit like, bro, as a human being, everyone loves to be entertained, and I want to do something that entertain you too. So I think that's messing with my mind. I want to have some crazy wins and show you that, bro, look at that. I told you this, and it just happened like that. So I feel like that's having an impact on me. So that's why I think I need to reduce that. I'll probably just trade less, trade two or three, take 2 or 3 trades a week and be done. And I'll probably just only take one trade during the London session. And yeah, probably will expect like New York continuation. When I'm sure about the New York continuation, I'll trade the London session. And if I don't see a setup during London session, I'll be doing streams, but I'm not gonna take any trade. Maybe I'll be telling you guys or giving you setups, but I'm not gonna trade the New York session. If you see me trade New York session, just tell me, bro. All right, we have SMT right now with GU. You see that SMT? So we might take that high out on GU, and if we see another SMT at the same time like this, then I'm pretty sure that we're gonna swap that low. All right, let's go back to NAS. Bro, NAS is just consolidating right now. Chad, do not consider taking any trade on NAS right now. You've missed that one trade right there. That candle was your entry. As soon as we close that candle, the third one, the swing low. Let me put on. Let me take this off. So that was the swing low. As soon as we formed that, there was the SMT. There was that SMT. So what did price do? Price went and took out that buy side. So you should have entered that there and put your stop loss maybe somewhere below here. So you missed that. Now just sit still. We're still hanging around that first presentation, bro. Maybe we're gonna have another SMT. We have two uh, BC right there. One is here, overlapping BC, two of them right there. This BC right here overlap with that first presentation, so that area is too sensitive. All right, Chad. I think I'm done for today. And yeah, I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow. Until then, if you do not see any setup, just do not take any trade. And I'm done with my setup today on Euro. I did manage to get a win. I took that short during the London session. So yeah, stay safe and do not overtrade, bro. And also sometimes tell me that I should not also overtrade. All right, see you all tomorrow. Love you all, chat.